So this is from a series I'm doing in my field notes, an open lab. This is field notes on play, field note 1, coming back to games. So I didn't grow up with video games as a normal part of life. They were around, but kind of to the side. Something you saw at other people's houses, not really part of my house. My parents were both teachers, so there was this feeling that games were not the best use of time. They weren't banned, they just weren't respected. My brother made that even clearer. If I was playing, he would announce it. Alex is playing video games, like I was being reported. Sometimes it became, he's wasting his life. He was 2 years older than me, which at that age felt like a big gap, and it made him sound right. So looking back, it's funny how certain he was. So the games themselves were really small, mostly NES, simple, straightforward. But even then, there were little cracks in them. I remember playing The Legend of Zelda and spending a lot of time trying things that probably made no sense at all. Bombing random walls, burning bushes, pushing on things just to see what happened. It always felt like there might be something hidden if you tried one more thing, and that feeling stuck with me. Not the game itself, really, just that feeling. But then I stopped. Part of it was practical. I was playing the clarinet too, and my hands started hurting. I couldn't keep doing both, and then I got a C in math, which made video games even harder to defend. So the Nintendo went away, and after that, I just never really went back. N- Not because I made some big decision. Life just filled the space. Music got serious, school got serious. Everything just started leaning toward the future. Future projects, future internships, college, more school after that, eventually profession, a practice, just a life. Um, and somewhere in all that, play dropped away, or at least changed shape. Looking back, I think I just moved that energy somewhere else, into achievement, into building things, finishing things, moving forward. It it was the same drive, just pointed somewhere more acceptable, and it worked. I got where I wanted to go. By my late 20s, I'd built a life, a practice, a condo, a career. I'd done the adult thing, at least some kind of version of it. And then something strange happened. For graduation, I got a Lego Death Star, and I remember staring at that box and feeling something I didn't expect. It wasn't nostalgia exactly. I'd say it's more like recognition, like seeing a part of myself I hadn't seen in a long time. And I realized I really missed play. Uh, Not video games exactly, just play. Building something because you wanted to, following curiosity, not progress. So I started coming back. Lego first, then games, then dating, things I'd put off while building the rest of my life. And when I came back to games, I thought I was coming back to something small, something I already understood, but I think I was wrong. Games had changed, and and I had changed as well. And when I thought I was going back to what I thought would be a little break from adulthood turned into something much bigger. Not just playing again, more like paying attention again.